Okay, I got 10 minutes to show you how you're about to start making $10,000 a month with a SaaS business. And what is SaaS? It is selling software as a service. So one, I'm going to show you how you can get started for free. And then two, I am about to show you how easy it is to set this up and get started. Let's go. Okay, first things first, let me introduce you to the software that you are about to start selling. It is called Go High Level. And as you can see, it is amazing. It is a all-in-one digital marketing business startup software. Okay, so what does it do? You guys, everything from CRMs to sales funnels to website builders, forms, surveys, email marketing, text message, booking appointments, calendars, all your automations, AI, your courses, your digital product. Literally, if you think about it and you think you need it for your business, Go High Level has it. Now, here is the special game that I have for you guys. This is the cheat code. Right now, click down below and use my link and you will get your first 30 days free. That is how you're going to start and set up this business for 30 days completely free. Tell me where else you could start a 6 to 7 figure business for free in the first month. Exactly. So just come in here, get your business name. If you don't have one, it's time to make one. Your first name, email address, phone number, that easy. And then you're going to sign up for your free trial. Okay. And if you already have a Go High Level account, but you would like just to get these gems, you can click already have an account and put in your information there. And everybody that signs up, I will be sending you guys a link to my free group chat so that I can help you guys get started. Now that you have your link, right, you have your software to sell. Let's get into exactly what you're going to be selling. So as I mentioned, Go High Level is your all-in-one digital marketing and online business software. So what do you have to sell? This is where you want to start taking your notes. First things first, AI Studio. That is number one for me, and I will show you guys that because it's amazing. AI agents, employees, AI assistants, virtual assistants, all of those things. All marketing is done here. All your social media you can connect and market automatically. Emails, countdown timers, affiliate managers, brand boards, in your ads manager, all here in one place. And you can do social media planners and calendars. You guys, I charge $2,500 a month. Yes, a month. Over $2,000 a month for social media management. This is where I say it is so easy to start making 10K a month, because even if you charge $2,000 a month for social media management that you will be managing inside of Go High Level, and you got 5 clients, 5 times 2 is 10. That is $10,000 a month recurring automatically every month for you just to manage social media, and it's all done here in Go High Level in one place. Super, super cool. Okay, then here's where we break down our automations and workflows and all that cool stuff, right? We have some example ones up here already, so that is really cool. What does a workflow look like? Let me show you an example one really quick. What does this mean? This means, and this is just a very simple one, guys, but somebody submits an order, they get a tag, which is basically like they get into a category in your business, letting you know this person is a buyer and what they bought, and then they get their email confirmation for their order. So you set all of those automations up here. Go High Level also has all your business funnels, all your websites, online stores for e-commerce, physical products, and digital products. Everything is there. You can host webinars in here, your blog posts. If you have a WordPress, you can create your WordPress in here. Forms, surveys, quizzes, in your online website, chat widgets, and QR codes. Literally everything in one place. And guess what? You don't need to be like the best graphic designer or any of that. No coding, no tech necessary. Over 1,000 templates to choose from right here in Go High Level. Look at all these categories here on the side. Whether you're in the automotive business, you're in beauty and fashion, you're in business coaching, medical, marketing agency. All these websites are already done for you, and all you have to do is change out the text, the photos, and drag and drop. But guess what, you guys? It gets even better. This is where I said I wanted to show you guys the AI studio. Right? Those templates are great. They're amazing. But what if I tell you, and you can look at my last video, I showed you guys how to do this step by step, that you can literally create, GoHighLevel will create ready to make, professional, beautiful websites for you with AI using literally one prompt. I use one prompt here. In my last video, I will link it below. Literally one prompt, and it created this entire website. Right? They can book right on this website, see before and afters, galleries, transformation, client testimonials, buy now, pay later, Klarna, Afterpay, free guides. You can deliver digital products, everything you need in one place. Y'all, this is so amazing, and look how beautiful this site is. And that's just a tip of the iceberg of what you can do in GoHighLevel. You can also have memberships. This is client membership portal, your courses, products, offers, your dashboard, private communities and groups, and all your credentials also. You can do that. This is a big one. A lot of people make a lot of money with this. This is called reputation management. Write that down if you don't have it. Reputation management. And what is reputation management? Reputation management is our Google reviews. You guys, when you're looking to get your hair done, you're looking to buy a tire, a realtor, whatever the case may be, a mall close to you, a grocery store, who sells this? What do? You Google. And what comes up? Businesses. And guess what? Those businesses are in competition with other businesses around them. They want to be first. And this is the reputation management. This makes sure that you can offer to business owners to Google My Business profiles, be at top of the list when people are Googling them, and have all high 4 and 5 star reviews. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And you can sell that. Now, this is the app marketplace that also just has so many different things. As you can see, GoHighLevel literally has everything, you guys. Accounting, advertisement, calendars, calling, scheduling. I love it. It takes care of it all, from your business name to your business email to your business phone number. Everything you need in one place to run your business is literally here, right here. Everything that you need, and it is amazing. Okay, now let's say you're brand new. You feel like, okay, Dynasty, this is a lot. I wouldn't know where to start. What do I do? Guess what, you guys? We have the GoHighLevel University. Okay, this is amazing. It's literally going to teach you how to start. If you want to do affiliates, home services, marketing agency, real estate, coaching and consulting, health and wellness, beauty and fashion, it has everything that you need to get started right here. How to sell AI agents with conversations, the app marketplace, white labeling. Let's say you want to do your own SaaS business. Guess what? GoHighLevel SaaS education. What does this mean? Everything that I'm showing you, you can have for yourself. They let you white label it. Okay, that's reselling it as your own, but under your company and your business name. What does that say? Automatic profits. Okay, and they have a whole SaaS education, your SaaS university, to teach you step by step how to get started. Y'all, I'm telling you, it's amazing. Mobile app, desktop app, in the app marketplace, everything that you need to get started, down to GHL swag. Y'all see I have my t-shirt on in the beginning of the video. I don't have my hat today, but whatever you need to be a successful business owner and start this, 100%, it is there. This is the AI agents, okay, receptionists, auto repair, already done for you, pet, groomers, Alexis, HVAC. Literally, AI right now is blowing up. In listen, I went to Wendy's, I went to Checkers, all these places. The AI agents are starting to take your orders. They're going to start checking you out at grocery stores. You can be the person that sells this to people and get it going in their business. And this is more education. If you want to do the affiliate side, you just want to tell people about GoHighLevel, how I'm doing. There is a 40% commission. Yes, you heard that right, 40%. This isn't Amazon or TikTok Shop where they only give you 10 to 20%. No, 40% commission, guys. And as you can see, the community, it has everything. We are in here, we are working, okay? And if you want to learn how to make a lot of money, these guys are making 6 figures a month. Not a year, a month. Over $100,000 a month. Come in here and learn how. So, like I said, click down below, get your free link, and you have 30 days to set this up and go learn, go high level, and start your SaaS business and start selling SaaS as a service. Okay, you guys, that concludes our video. So let's recap. Let me break this down for you guys one more time, quick and easy, how you're about to start this SaaS business for free. First things first, you need your software to sell. And with the link below, you get 30 days completely free. You have your first month to set up and start running your SaaS business for $0. Yes, free. Okay. Next step 2, you need to pick your service. Step 1, get your software. Step 2, pick your service. Now, I will give you my top 3 that I recommend. 1, using the AI Studio to build websites. Game changers. You can build websites, restaurant ordering, landing pages, funnels, calendar booking sites, all of those things. And you can charge anywhere between $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 and up for these AI-powered automative smart websites. 100%. If you want me to break down any of these services a little more, drop a comment below and I will make a dedicated video for you how to do this for your service. Service 2 I would recommend is reputation management. We all still search Google when we're looking for a business. Your job is to get your clients, that small business, at the top of the list, and with as many as 5-star reviews. They need to look the best of the best. Again, anywhere between $500 to $5,000 to set up and run this service. All right. And then my third one, I would definitely say the AI agents taking over. You can call them AI agents, AI assistants, AI employees. But listen, every smart business owner right now, even if they don't understand AI, they know they need it in their business to make more money, and they know they need the help. Pick your service and then pick your niche. Do you want to work with barbershops and beauty salons? Do you want to work with real estate agents? Do you want to work with contractors? Whatever it is, daycares, homeschooling businesses, whatever and whoever it is, kind of find your community. Therefore, you can cater your services to them and you know exactly what they need. And then pick your pricing. I gave you guys an example earlier with the social media management. You can charge $2,000 a month to manage people's social media for 30 days, right? Every month. 5 clients is all you need to hit $10,000 a month recurring. And why will they pay you this? Because social media is business owners' bread and butter. It is the best marketing period out, and you're gonna do a good job because GoHighLevel is an amazing platform and connects and runs everything for you with AI and all the automations. And so they're gonna be making more money. When they're making more money, they are happy to pay you money. And then you need to educate yourself to sell and scale. And you get all of those resources, courses, classes, lives, the community, free community. You get all of that in the GoHighLevel University, okay? So if this video made sense and you are going to take this sign and start your SaaS business this year, drop a comment below. And if you guys got any questions or want me to make a follow-up video to go more in depth about this process and services, just let me know and I will 100% get it done for you. Bye.